All right, here we got a 2001 Ultra boat. I'll do a slow walk around so you can really see the whole thing. I'm not a boat guy, so I don't know what you're looking for, but this is the driver's side. Looks pretty clean. Clear coat's coming off here and there. Also up here looks like that black part. Tires are in good shape on the trailer. Get to the other side. We did start it for about a second just to make sure she fires right up. Sounds like it's got a lot of power. Passenger side. All right, that's it for the exterior. Let's go to the inside. Back seat right here. Upholstery's in pretty decent shape. It could use a good cleaning. Like on the top of these headrests, a little weather damage. Same with that one. Got a ton of speakers. Speakers up front. Just a little weather damage. It's not bad, but it's not pristine. I'd give it probably a I don't know, 7.5 out of 10, maybe 8, probably 7.5. Looks fun though. Bunch of speakers down here too. There's a motor picture in the pictures section. There's all your gauges, all that, foot pedal. Looks like, I don't know, that's the hours right there. Can you read that? It's showing 221.9. So anyways, that's all for the boat. Thanks for watching. Like the CD player's right here. CD player. Faceplate's probably somewhere, but I don't know. Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching.